Hey ladies and gents, and welcome back. So today we are resoling a pair of Wolverine 1,000 mile boots. So these were mailed in to us from a customer, and as you can see, they have seen their better days. The sole protectors on these are definitely way past time to be changed. The soles have been worn into, the heels have been beat up, and the inside insole of these, when we stuck our hand down there a little earlier, you could feel some holes in it. So I have a feeling that these are in really rough shape. The welts are going to have to be changed out on it. They're going to need a lot of work. So let's get out to the shop, let's break these apart, and let's see what all needs to be done to this pair of Wolverine. That's interesting. I've done a lot of 1,000 miles and I've never seen one carved out like that. It's usually a solid stacked leather piece. This is real stacked leather, but it's interesting that that one is hollow. All right, you can see that he completely shot through the welt right here. This customer wants to have new welts put on anyway, so we'll take this off, clean this up a little bit, put new welts on, and we'll continue on from there. Okay guys, so this is the other boot, and as you can see, the owner has worn a couple holes right through the insole. So these are going to need a lot of work. It's going to need new insoles, new gimming, new welts. It's going to need a lot, but you know what? That's okay. And we're going to get through this together, and we're going to make these pair of boots look great. And I'll tell you what looks good with a pair of boots like this? Jeans. Not just any type of jean, but RevTown jeans, who happens to be today's video sponsor. So I got a couple of pairs of RevTown jeans not long ago, and I have been wearing the tar out of these things. I kid you not. They are quite possibly the most comfortable jeans that I've ever owned in my entire life. And you probably are asking yourself, why? Well, let me tell you. So the guys that started RevTown were actually former executives at Under Armour. Yes, Under Armour, the sportswear company. So they got to deal with a lot of really high performance materials each and every day. You know, materials that are flexible, they breathe well, you know, when you walk in them, it just flows. And let's face it, that is not what happens with most blue jeans. I've owned a lot of blue jeans in my lifetime, and most of the time I put them on, they're hard, you have to break them in. It takes years of wearing and washing those jeans to really get them to break in. Not so with RevTown. The focus for these guys was, hey, let's start a jean company and let's take everything we learned at Under Armour and apply that to denim. And man, it has been an absolute game changer. I will admit it, when I first got my pair of jeans, I did not use the digital tailor. I just thought, hey, I wear this size, it's what I wear in all blue jeans, that's what I'm getting. They came and they did not fit as my previous jeans did. So that's one thing I definitely recommend you doing when you go to RevTown Jeans. Use the digital tailor. It's going to ask you a lot of questions about your height, your weight, what type of jeans you like, what you do, how much movement you need, and then the digital tailor is going to tell you the exact size jean that you need. And trust me, when I did that the second time, they fit like a glove. So definitely use the digital tailor. And also guys, the great thing about RevTown jeans is that because they go direct to consumer,
you are getting premium designer level jeans at a price that is much, much cheaper than most other brands out there. Okay guys, so at the end of this video, make sure you go down to the description box and click on the link I have provided below. It will take you to RevTown Jeans. I'm telling you, I'm not the only one. There are people all over this planet that have tried RevTown Jeans and absolutely love them. You definitely want to check these out. I wear them all the time to work and they're now my go-to. So again, check out the link after this video to go to RevTown Jeans.
Man, we're probably gonna have to replace that piece too, because even it's starting to tear apart. So a lot of work on this pair of boots.
All right, so here is the original insole, and it is actually kind of a 2-ply thing. This part right here just is almost like a little half, and it sandwiches the shank in between the two layers, and that's what we're gonna replicate here. The shank will actually go, you know, like this, and then this piece will actually go on top of it and sandwich to recreate what was originally on it.
So this is always fun. I'm trying to take the canvas out of here, and you can see right up here on the joint where the foot flexes, somebody used super glue to hold all of this in there. So trying to get that out is loads of fun. So anyways, take some of this super glue thinner and drop that on there, and
All right, so we have recreated it just like the original, except for this one was leather board and synthetic, and this one is all leather, lasts a lot longer and gets better bond.
where are you? Okay guys, so we're running really low on time this week trying to get this video done for you guys. So instead of using the hot cork, we're going to use the sheet cork. So sheet cork does just as good of a job as hot cork. A lot of shoemakers, a lot of other shoe cobblers use sheet cork, but I know you guys really like the hot cork. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and clean these off. I want to go ahead and clean them now instead of waiting to the end because these are going to have white stitches along here and I don't want to risk getting those stitches dirty. So go and just use some quick saddle soap, clean the light dirt off of these, then we'll put some oils back into it and then they'll be good to go.
Okay guys, we're back. The boots have been resoled. I think they look a million times better, and I will show you those in just 1 second. But before I do, just a quick reminder, check out today's video sponsor, RevTown Jeans, down below in the description box. I'll put the link down below. Make sure you hit that link. Go check them out. I kid you not, these jeans are the most comfortable jeans I've ever tried on in my life. I own a lot of jeans, hands down the best jeans. So go down there, check them out. Okay, what did we do to this pair of Wolverines? Now, as a reminder, when they came in, the welts were shot, the sole protectors were shot, I had felt holes on the insole. They had seen their better days. So what we did was completely deconstruct these boots. We had to put in new gimming, we had to put in new insoles, which are actually a big upgrade. These were fiberboard insoles before. We put veg tan leather in there now, so it's going to take him a long time to wear through these. Then we put on all new welts. He wanted to go with Vibram dress rubber soles, so that's what we went with. New Vibram top lifts, new heel blocks. I think we just about did it all. And then we conditioned these boots with oiled leather cream. Wolverine 1,000-mile boots are made from Chrome XL leather, which is an oiled leather, and we wanted to put those oils back into it, and again, we used oil leather cream to do that. Okay, I think that just about does it. Just a quick reminder too, it is sandal season, so make sure you check on our link, southernpolish.com, for all of mine and Heath's sandals. They're the best. The absolute best. So definitely check them out as well. Also, potterandsons.com if you need any products or anything for your shoes and boots. Okay, guys, as always, we really appreciate you joining us. And until next time, y'all have a good one.